In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Trello to Pipedrive CRM efficiently. Whether you're a project manager looking to enhance your workflow or simply want to integrate these two tools seamlessly, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a connected system allowing you to enjoy smoother project management. So, let's dive in. Firstly, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Pipedrive website. You can do this by typing in Pipedrive CRM in your search bar, or by directly entering pipedrive.com. Once on their homepage, you'll notice an inviting interface that encourages you to explore more about their sales CRM and pipeline management software. Now, the next step is to log in to your Pipedrive account. It's crucial here to ensure you have your login details handy, your email and password, so you can seamlessly access your account. If you've forgotten your details, there's also an option to reset your password, so no worries there. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Pipedrive homepage, filling you with possibilities to enhance your project management. Once on your Pipedrive home, navigate your attention to the upper section of the page where you'll find a three-dot icon, also known as the More Options icon. Click on that. What you're doing here is unveiling more advanced features that Pipedrive offers to streamline your work processes. After clicking on the three-dot icon, a drop-down menu should appear. From here, select the option labeled Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find a variety of apps and integrations, including our main focus today, Trello. It's like a treasure chest of tools aimed at enhancing your productivity. Next, direct your attention to the Marketplace's search function. You'll find the search bar prominently displayed on the page. Click on it to make it active or ready to receive input. Now type in Trello and hit Enter. This search will filter out all other options and show only the Trello integration. This process allows you to discover and connect your Pipedrive account with Trello. Once you find the Trello app, follow the prompts to install and integrate. This might involve authorizing the connection between both accounts, so be prepared to permit access where necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Trello to your Pipedrive CRM. This integration is perfect for those looking to keep project management tasks and client relationships in sync without the hassle of flipping between tools. Enjoy a more cohesive work environment and appreciate the time savings and efficiency boost this connection brings to your workflow. Happy managing, and see you next time.